Gattu and Chinky went to an amusement park. Gattu and Chinky were lying down in their room and chatting. Their TV was turned on too. And while they were chatting, Gattu suddenly noticed the advertisement running on the TV.
Wow, Chinky, look at that. What a big amusement park it is. Yes, Gattu, I think this amusement park has just opened. Think, Chinky, our summer holidays are about to end and this time we haven't gone anywhere to enjoy the holidays. Come, let's ask Mummy and Papa to take us there. Gattu, you are absolutely right. Papa got an extra workload in the office all of a sudden, and because of that, we had to spend all our holidays at home only. We did not go anywhere this time. When all our friends will return from their vacation, they will have lots of stories to tell. What places they have visited, how much fun they have had. And here we are getting bored. Don't talk like that, Gattu. Let's go and ask Mummy one more time. Yes, let's go. Let us try it together once again.
Then Gattu and Chinky went to their mummy together. Their mummy was busy cleaning the room. Gattu looked at Mummy and then signaled Chinky. Chinky understood what Gattu is trying to say, and they both started cleaning the room too. Their mummy was surprised by this.
Kids, what are you doing? You are cleaning the room without me asking you to do it? What happened? What do you want? Come on, Mummy. It's not like that. We are good children. So we decided to help you in cleaning the room. Yes, Mummy, he's right. If you have any other work to do, then let us know, huh? We will love to help you.
And this way Gattu and Chinky helped their mother the whole day. And it was afternoon.
Okay, kids. Now tell me, what is it? What do you guys want from me?
Gattu and Chinky looked at each other and started thinking something.
Speak up, kids. What's going on in your heads? We want to go to an amusement park, Mummy. Yes, Mummy. Our summer holidays will be over in a few days and we haven't gone anywhere this year. Papa will have weekly off on Sunday. Let's go somewhere and enjoy at least for a day. Please, Mummy, please.
After hearing the plea of the kids, Mummy started thinking. And after some time, she replied,
Alright, children. I will definitely talk to your father in the evening. But both of you have to keep being good kids. Alright? I promise. We will always behave like good kids. Right, Chinky? Of course, of course.
Mummy smiled at them and went to finish her remaining chores. In the evening, Papa came home. Gattu and Chinky went to their father. Oh God! I'm really very exhausted today. There was a huge workload in the office.
Take this, Papa. I have bought a glass of cold water for you. Papa, come here. I will give you a head massage. It will give you a lot of relief.
Hey, what's going on? You guys are treating me like a king. Ha ha ha. That's when Mummy also entered the room. She was about to tell him about the amusement park when Papa said, Kids, I have a very good news for you. You guys will be excited after knowing this for sure.
Really? What is it? Papa, hurry up and tell us.
You know, the new amusement park that has opened in our city. I have tickets for it. My boss was very happy with the extra work I did this summer and gave them as a reward for it. When Gattu and Chinky heard this, they couldn't control their happiness. They started jumping with excitement. And seeing them happy, Mummy was happy too. So then alright kids, it is decided that we are going to an amusement park this Sunday.
Yes, Papa, it will be so much fun. I am also excited. Yay!
It was Sunday. And Gattu and Chinky took a bath and got ready early morning. Mummy was busy packing snacks and everyone was waiting for the car that Papa had booked. All of them were very excited. After some time, the car that Papa booked arrived there. They climbed in the car and left for the amusement park. In the amusement park, Papa and Mummy were showing tickets while Gattu and Chinky were talking.
Wow, Chinky, look at the number of rides this amusement park has. I really can't wait to enjoy all these rides. Yes, Gattu, we will sit on each of these rides and will enjoy it a lot.
Their Papa and Mummy also return over there. And they tell the kids, Gattu Chinky, why are you guys standing over there? Come on, your wait is finally over. Gattu and Chinky smiled at each other and then all of them entered the amusement park. Gattu and Chinky enjoyed many exciting rides like roller coaster, bumper cars and many more. And they really liked it. After enjoying many rides, Gattu Chinky sat down on the bench near their parents. And Papa brought ice cream for everyone. Take this, Gattu Chinky. You must be tired. Enjoy this chilled ice cream. It will give you a lot of energy so that you can enjoy even more rides.
Yes, kids, your papa is right.
Gattu Chinky started eating ice cream happily. That's when they noticed a huge tent at some distance on which Magic Show was written. Chinky looked at it and said,
Gattu, look at that. It seems that some kind of magic show will happen in here. I also want to go there. Yes, Chinky, you are right. Let's go and ask Papa to take us there.
Gattu Chinky requested Papa.
Papa, can we please go there? In that tent over there, some kind of magic show is about to start. Please.
Of course, why not? Let's go, kids, to watch that magic show. So all of them finished their ice cream and started walking towards the tent. Papa bought 4 tickets to the magic show. And after that, when Gattu Chinky entered the tent, both of them exclaimed together,
Wow, Mummy, Papa, this tent is even bigger from the inside. Yes, Mummy, it is so big.
A stage was built in the tent, and around that stage, lots of chairs were kept in a row. Gattu Chinky sat in the first row along with their mummy and papa.
Chinky, don't you think we have got amazing seats? From here, we will have even more fun watching the magic show. You are right, Gattu. We are really going to have a lot of fun. I'm so excited.
That is when an uncle entered the stage, who was wearing a black-colored suit, and he was also wearing a magical hat. The uncle had a magical stick with him too.
Wow, Chinky, look, I think he is a magician. And he will be the one performing magic tricks. Look, he also has a magic stick. Yes, Gattu, I also think so.
Children, do you like to eat toffees and chocolates? Along with Gattu and Chinky, all the kids who were present there said yes. Hearing this, magician smiles and then he threw his magical stick in the air. And then chocolates and toffees started raining over there. Gattu and Chinky also collected lots of toffees. And after this, the magician threw his stick in the air once again. And some beautiful flowers appeared in his hands. He stepped down from the stage and gave them to Chinky. Here you go, dear. This is for you.
Thank you so much, magician uncle.
Chinky was very happy after receiving the flowers. Then the magician took his hat in his hand and moved his stick over it in a circular motion. A beautiful rabbit appears from it. Seeing this, everyone started clapping. When the magic show was over, Chinky Gattu came out of the tent with their mummy and papa. So tell me, kids, did you like coming to the amusement park?
Papa, Mummy, thank you so much for bringing us here. Yes, we really enjoyed it very much.
And after that, all of them left the park and went back home. Aquarium visit. Gattu and Chinky were at their neighbor's house for a long time.
Oh, how long it has been? Gattu and Chinky are still in neighborhood and have not yet returned.
Really? But why? What are they doing over there?
Our neighbors have bought a new golden fish. Since then, Gattu and Chinky have been going to their house every day after school and staying there for a long time.
So Gattu and Chinky love fishes?
Don't ask me. They have even given a name to that goldfish, Tim Tim.
Oh, what a name they have chosen. Tim Tim.
Please bring them both home now.
Alright, I will go. Then Papa went to neighbor's home. And there he saw that Gattu and Chinky were sitting next to a small fish tank and were talking to the goldfish. Gattu, Chinky, why don't you introduce me to your Tim Tim?
Please come here, Papa, and meet our Tim Tim. Isn't she pretty?
Yes, Chinky. She is really pretty. And her name is pretty too. Who gave it?
I did, Papa. I gave her the name.
Very good, Gattu. Okay, now come on, let's go home. Mummy is waiting for you.
Okay, Papa.
Kids, it is not okay for you to go to their house daily.
Yes, Mummy. But what can we do? We love being over there. Their goldfish is really very lovely.
I understand, Gattu, but Mummy is right.
Alright, Papa. We will stop going.
Gattu Chinky were very sad after this. And Mummy noticed how upset they were.
Hey, come on guys, don't be sad.
Mummy, how about we also get a goldfish for ourselves?
No, Chinky, we can't do that. A goldfish needs a lot of care to survive. Who will take the responsibility? No way. We are not getting a goldfish.
Yes, kids, Mummy is right about this. She already has so many chores to do at home. And you guys will be busy at school. Who will take care of the goldfish?
Okay, Papa.
After having their dinner, Gattu Chinky go to their room and fall asleep.
Did you see how sad they are? We should do something for them, right?
But what can we do?
If they love fishes so much, then you can do one thing. You can take them to the aquarium.
Oh, yes. This is really an excellent idea. I'm sure their mood will be better after visiting the aquarium. Okay then, we'll surprise them tomorrow. The next day, Papa went to wake up Gattu and Chinky himself. He told them their plan. Gattu and Chinky were very excited to hear this and got ready quickly.
Mummy, please wear something blue. And Papa, you also wear your blue shirt because Chinky and I are also wearing blue clothes.
Oh, but why is that?
Because today's theme is based on aquarium and that is blue.
Then they got ready and went to the aquarium.
Wow!
Kids, we have just entered the aquarium and you are saying wow at the entry only.
Papa, this aquarium is so big and there are so many tanks here. I can't believe my eyes. Yes, Papa. At home, goldfish were living in a small tank. But here so many fishes are there.
This is just the beginning, kids. When you will go inside, it will blow your mind.
After entering the aquarium, Gattu and Chinky looked at fishes. Chinky said,
Papa, it is so peaceful here. We can even hear flowing water clearly.
Yes, and look at this. These fishes are swimming so smoothly. The water is also very clean.
But at our neighbor's house, Uncle cleans their goldfish tank every other day. Here there are so many tanks. Who keeps them so clean?
Kids, not just one or two, but at least 50-60 workers work here and they keep all the tanks clean.
Oh, 50 to 60 workers. It sure is a hard work, Papa.
Yes, Chinky. It is hard work to do. And they also have to take care of the fishes. That is why we are refusing to get a fish at home.
Yes, Papa. Now I understand why you did it. Wow, they even have so many turtles here. Hey, Gattu, look at this. There are so many goldfishes in this tank. Wow. Yes, Chinky. Wow.
Mummy and Papa were very glad to see that Gattu and Chinky were so surprised and were enjoying the visit. They smiled at each other.
Gattu, Chinky, please come here. See, they are selling fish food over here. Come, let's buy some fish food so that we can feed them.
Okay, Mummy.
Then Gattu, Chinky and Mummy feed the food to some fishes.
Mummy, these fishes look so cute when they are eating. I think they look just like you, Chinky.
They laughed at Gattu's words.
Mummy, do those 50 to 60 workers also feed these fishes?
Yes, Chinky. Fishes eat many times in a day and hence they are fed several times a day.
Oh, is it so, Mummy? Then you were right earlier. Taking care of fishes is a huge responsibility. Yes, Mummy, Papa. Whenever we feel like playing with fishes or watching them, we will come to this aquarium and play with them.
Alright, Gattu Chinky. Like this, Gattu and Chinky were very happy after visiting the aquarium with Mummy Papa.
If you are liking our videos, then like them, comment them and subscribe.